Hello everyone. In this video for the Nadaraya Watson Envelope indicator on the Kriptopay net website, we will look at how we can scan for long and short signals and how we can set up alarms. For this, first let's click the dashboard button and proceed to the dashboard page. Then from here, under the Scan and Alert section, let's click the Create Alert button. On the Open page, let's select the Low option from the first section. Then from the other section, let's select the Less Than option. And finally, let's select the Nadaraya Watson Envelope option. Here we will create long signals. Therefore, we want the low value of the price to bring us results that are below the lower band of the Nadaraya Watson Envelope indicator. Here are our settings for the Nadaraya Watson Envelope. Our bandwidth value is 8, our multiplier value is 3. Our source value is close, and our line value, meaning the band value, will be lower here. It will be the lower band. We have made our settings. Now let's click the Insert button and add our scanning code to our scanning area. Here we will work on the 15-minute time frame. Let's start our scan by clicking the Scan button. As you can see, it brought us many results. Now let's look at their details. I am copying the result here. I came to TradingView, I pasted it. The point we need to pay attention to here is, since the last candle has not closed, we do not consider the last candle. We see that the low value of the second candle here is below the lower band of the Nadaraya Watson Envelope indicator. This shows us that it has generated a correct signal. Now let's look at the other results. Similarly, here too, we see that the low value of the second candle has dipped below the lower band of the Nadaraya Watson Envelope indicator. This has also produced a correct result for us. Now let's create the short signals. For this, first we clear our code area here. Afterwards, from here, from the first section, we select the High option and make it greater than here. Then from the last section, we change the line value to upper. Let's click the Insert Indicator button. And our scanning code has arrived in our scanning area. Again, we are working on the 15-minute time frame. Let's start our scan. Yes, it has brought us 6 results right now. Let's look at the first result, COTI USDT perp. Let's copy from here, let's go to TradingView and paste it. As you can see here, the high value of the second candle has gone above the upper band of the Nadaraya Watson Envelope indicator. This shows us that it has generated a correct signal. Now let's save these scanning codes we obtained. We might want to use them later. For this, let's first click the Save button. From here, I am naming it Nadaraya Watson Short. You can write a description if you want. Afterwards, let's save our scanning code here to the system by clicking the Save button. It has been saved successfully. Let's see, the Nadaraya Watson Short signal has arrived here. If we want, we can load our scanning code into our scanning area by clicking the Load Scan button here. Now let's close this. Now let's look at how we can get this scanning code we created as an alarm on Telegram. I copied the code from here. Then let's go to the Create Alert page under the Scan and Alert section. From here, let's click on the second section, Custom Alert. And let's give our alarm a name. Nadaraya Watson Short. Let's select our Telegram ID. Let's paste our scanning code here. Let's select our time frame, 15 minutes and 1 hour. And then let's select our coin list. And let's set up our alarms by clicking the Create Custom Alert button. As you can see here, Nadaraya Watson Short in the 1 hour time frame, Nadaraya Watson Short in the 15-minute time frame, our alarms have been set up successfully. In this way, you can both perform your scans and set up your alarms and receive them on Telegram. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.